Siem Reap Sucha. Hello everyone, my name is Kim Lan and now I am inside of Khmer ceramic shops and today I'm gonna guide you to see one of our best collection. So let's go! So this is called Black Shady Collections. If you are a black lover, this collection is the best option for you. And the name is given to identify the product. As you can see, the black colors and the clean edge around the products is make this collection look really beautiful. And in this collection, for the plate, we have three sizes. We have 14 centimeter plate, 22 centimeter plates and 28 centimeter plates. And for the bowl, we have four sizes. We have, for the sauce is 7 centimeter bowl. For the cereal is 13 centimeter bowl. For pasta or salad is 20 centimeter bowl. And this is our big one. It's 26 centimeter bowl. Is for searing bowl. And we also have one more bowl. You can see over there is two sides. This is our oval bowls. And for the drink wheel, we have big jug, we have small jugs, and we have mug with handle and also mug without handle. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you love this collection and would like to order from our website, please click on the link below and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.